Imagine holding a device so compact it disappears into your hand, yet powerful enough to challenge the mightiest tablets Apple has ever built. That's the story of the upcoming iPad mini 8, a device that's not just a refresh but a quiet revolution. This is the iPad that refuses to compromise, where every inch of its small frame is packed with intelligence, performance, and design precision that screams Apple at its finest. From the outside, you might think this is just another iPad mini, but as soon as you see it, touch it, and power it on, you'll realize this isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Apple has taken everything people loved about the iPad mini 6 and 7 and turned it into a powerhouse that fits in your pocket but feels like a desktop in disguise. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to come with the blazing fast M2 chip, the same silicon that powered MacBooks and iPad Airs, but in a form factor that redefines portability. Think about it. Desktop-class power in a body lighter than your phone, capable of handling 4K editing, complex 3D rendering, and console-level gaming without breaking a sweat. Apple knows that the iPad mini has always been the underdog, the overlooked sibling in the iPad lineup, but this year, it's stepping out of the shadows. The new display is said to feature an upgraded 120Hz ProMotion panel, delivering buttery smooth motion that makes scrolling, gaming, and drawing feel like pure magic. For artists, this is going to be a dream come true. Every stroke, every tap, every pressure point of the Apple Pencil 2, or possibly the all-new Apple Pencil 3 will respond instantly, without delay. Apple might even introduce magnetic charging on the top frame, giving the Mini a cleaner, more modern edge-to-edge design. And if the leaks are true, the bezels are slimmer, the screen brighter, and the experience more immersive than ever before. Imagine streaming movies on a flight or gaming in a coffee shop, with visuals so sharp and fluid you forget you're on a tablet smaller than most paperback books. The Mini 8 is expected to retain that perfect 8.3-inch liquid retina display size, but with higher brightness, better contrast, and true HDR capabilities, making it ideal for creators, students, travelers, and professionals alike. And let's talk about power efficiency. Apple's M2 chip doesn't just mean faster performance. It means smarter battery use. You could be editing a video, sketching a design, attending a virtual meeting, or binge-watching your favorite series, and the Mini 8 will still have the endurance to last all day. That's Apple's silent genius, building devices that don't just run fast but keep running long. And while some expected the design to remain mostly the same, subtle refinements make a world of difference. The new iPad mini might feature aerospace-grade aluminum edges, a slightly curved back for a better grip, and even pastel-inspired color options that scream personality. Apple's rumored starlight blue and matte graphite finishes might finally make their way to the mini, giving users that same premium aesthetic as the latest iPhones and iPads. And yes, it's said to support 5G connectivity, not just for speed, but for stability. Imagine FaceTiming in crystal clear quality, uploading content to the cloud, or streaming 4K videos anywhere in the world, all from a device you can slip into your jacket pocket. That's the level of freedom Apple is pushing with this new generation. But the real surprise? Apple could be fine-tuning its front camera placement, aligning it horizontally like on the latest iPad Pro. Meaning finally, video calls will look natural, centered, and professional. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera might also come with center stage improvements, automatically following your face during calls or recordings, making it a perfect tool for vloggers, students, and creators. And the rear camera? Expect more intelligence. Rumors hint at improved low-light photography, smart HDR5, and possibly a LiDAR sensor for AR experiences. Imagine scanning your surroundings, creating 3D models, or measuring spaces with absolute precision, all on your tiny tablet. Apple is also focusing heavily on ecosystem integration this year. With iPadOS 18 on the horizon, the Mini 8 won't just be a standalone gadget, it'll be part of a seamless experience that flows between your Mac, iPhone, and Apple Watch. Handoff, universal control, stage manager, and even AI-powered features might elevate how you interact with your content. Picture dragging a photo from your iPhone straight onto your iPad mini canvas without delay, or starting a note on your MacBook and continuing it on your Mini mid-flight. That's the magic of Apple's unified world. And when it comes to audio, Apple's engineering brilliance is once again on display. The Mini 8 is expected to feature spatial audio speakers that deliver an almost cinematic experience for such a small device. Whether you're watching Netflix, editing a podcast, or playing your favorite mobile game, the sound will feel immersive, surrounding you in every beat. Combine that with upgraded microphones, and you've got a portable creative studio in your hands. But there's more. Apple might finally bring Face ID to the Mini lineup. Imagine unlocking your tablet with just a glance, instantly and securely. No button presses, no fingerprints. Pure futuristic convenience. If not Face ID, an improved Touch ID embedded in the power button is likely faster and more accurate than ever before. And while competitors keep releasing larger and bulkier tablets, Apple continues to refine the idea that small can be mighty. The iPad Mini 8 might start around $590, but what you're getting for that price could change how you think about compact devices forever. You're not just buying a tablet. You're buying Apple's most balanced vision of power, portability, and perfection. Think about students who need a device light enough to carry yet strong enough to handle any coursework. Think about business users signing documents, artists sketching on the go, pilots using it in cockpits, or travelers replacing laptops altogether. The iPad Mini has always had a cult following, but this version might make it mainstream. Even gamers will love it. Imagine playing console-quality games like Resident Evil or No Man's Sky with full controller support and stunning graphics on a tablet you can hold in one hand. Apple's M2 GPU will make that not just possible, but smooth, immersive, and responsive. And when paired with accessories like the Magic Keyboard or Apple Pencil, it transforms into a creative workstation instantly. But the beauty lies in how Apple markets simplicity. It's never just specs, it's about the feeling. The Mini 8 will make you feel like you're holding the future, like you've got a piece of cutting-edge innovation that travels wherever you do. And let's not forget Apple's attention to environmental sustainability. This iPad Mini 8 might feature 100% recycled aluminum and rare earth materials, showing that high performance doesn't have to come at the planet's cost. It's innovation with responsibility, power with purpose. Every Apple keynote carries one moment when the crowd gasps, when they realize this isn't just another iteration, but something different, something that redefines expectation. That's what the iPad Mini 8 could be, the moment where compact tech finally becomes unstoppable. Apple knows what it's doing, giving people the tools to create, connect, and inspire without limits. And if the leaks and rumors are true, pre-orders might open just weeks after announcement, possibly alongside the next-gen iPad Air and new accessories. So whether you're an artist, gamer, student, or professional, the iPad Mini 8 could be your new creative weapon, your portable office, your digital companion. The question is no longer whether it's worth it. The question is, once you experience this level of speed, design, and freedom, how could you ever go back? The iPad Mini 8 isn't just small, it's significant. It's not about being less. It's about doing more with less space, less weight, less limitation. It's Apple proving once again that innovation isn't measured by size, but by the experience it delivers. So when it finally launches, remember this moment, because you'll be witnessing the rebirth of a legend. The future of small power is here, and its name is iPad Mini 8.